Hey YouTube, it's Ramen Noodle Budgets back here with another video for you guys. Now, I want to keep this video short and straight to the point because you guys have been waiting for an extremely long time, and I know I do strongly apologize once again for how long this video took. This is actually about like 20 days past the date it's supposed to be due, and I'm sorry, I'm really trying not to look in that viewfinder video because you guys have complained about that so much. So today I will be picking out the winner for the Michael Myers costume, and it is after Halloween, but it still is an incredible, it's still a very, very hard to find mask. And before I do this giveaway, so I have, we had 98 unfiltered, or those are filtered comments, so no repeaters, only the same person can only put in one raffle, you know, as anyone should. And I'm using commentpicker.com, which I didn't know was a thing until recently because I have usually single-handedly written down names, put them in a jar, and then taken a name out. So this makes it so much easier. But before I do this, I just want you guys to know, since I have 98 people, obviously everyone can't win, but we are doing another giveaway this weekend where I'm doing a whole nother Jason mask tutorial after it was heavily requested that I do one of these more expensive Jason masks. So this is just a test, and I'll have a full tutorial up for doing a Friday the 13th Part 3 mask and a part, I think I said it on a Part 4 mask. So yeah, let's get down to picking the winner. I wanted everyone to let you know that this is 100% real. I am using commentpicker.com. If you guys would like me to do a different method next time, please let me know. So we are going to start the raffle. It is picking through the names. And it looks like the winner is, I'm so sorry if I can't pronounce this right, Freema Ahmadi. I have the name right here. I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Please contact me on my Instagram, Brandon Red Guy, or leave a comment down below and I'll try and contact you. Yeah, congratulations. And like I said, guys, please don't unsubscribe. Please stay subscribed because we're doing another Tots or Trick or Treat Studios repainted mask giveaway this weekend, as well as a Jason mask with the tutorial. So please look on the lookout for that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had an incredible Halloween. I know I did, even though I had so many things going on. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and please stay tuned for this weekend. Thanks, bye.